Morning on day 24. It's been raining all night, well, since about 2 a.m, quite heavily. It's supposed to rain on until about 11 o'clock today. I brought the camera out to show you the rain, and it stopped. Oh, there's the crew. Kath and Bob.
Good day.
Pockets.
Selamat pagi.
And that was, can we still see? Yep, there we go. We tented inside last night because we knew the rain was coming, so there's Bob's little camp over there. So anyway, yeah, it's going to be nice and cool today actually, so that'll be good. What have we got? 23k to go. So, bit of a big one. Bit of a breakfast. Start again. Bit of a breakfast review this morning, and this is the favourite one we've had so far. Well, definitely my favourite. It is muesli with dehydrated banana, coconut, and Reese's peanut butter chips. Oh yeah. There's a little bit of coffee in it as well. It's definitely the best one so far. A bit of hot water to rehydrate everything. What's even better, some of the chips melt and some don't. Okay, now from this year's catwalk from the Hiker Trash, Hiker Fashion, we have from the House of Bob. If you need to rescue me, you can definitely find me, fluoro pack cover. And from the House of Howie, I'm going for the Cossack look. And from, well, Kath's been way back there looking at some flowers. I think she's filming stuff. We'll get to her in a minute. It's absolutely perfect conditions this morning. Overcast, it's been raining, but it's stopped now. Only going up to 16 or something today. We do have 23k to go. Cat's foot arrangements, a bit of hiker's wool, and a toe
prophylactic
condom.
Oh, have a look. This is why. Because you got to protect the sock from my toe.
Day one on that pair of socks, and
I'm too much. My toe is too much. Too much toe for any sock.
oh, thank you.
And there's biscuits.
I'm actually gonna score two. Thank you. So we've just left that little surprise visit from Brian and Judy. A bit of shelter and a hot cuppa right in the middle of today, which was just perfect little setup. It was brilliant. They might head to the other end of the trail today and going to walk in and meet us at the hut. So here we are in the rain again on an old rail formation. Sort of sick. Patoot patoot. You can see the how it's cut into the sides here. Probably got about 10k to go until we get to camp. Which hut are we going to? What hut are we going to? Grimwade. Yeah. So we've got about 10k until we get to Grimwade. And it's just beautiful out here actually. It's not cold, not hot. The colours are just amazing.
Old Mother Mary, estimated to be 400 years old.
Oh, great day today. Great day. 23k into Grimwade. Probably only rained for less than half the day, I reckon. And the other half, just been walking in this nice, cool, overcast weather through very, very lush bush. Getting close to baling up now. We're into baling up tomorrow. So much moss and lichen, and the terrain has definitely changed. Oh, steep hill. Okay, hold on. I'll just try not to fall down this bit first. All good. Ah, bridge. Excuse me. And yeah, it's gonna feel good to get the pack off though. So get a nice hot cuppa and some food. Look at this, all this moss and lichen through here. Oh, hold on, just dropped something. Oh, that's a long way down. You got to go up. Why do they always put the huts at the top of hills?
Kaya Korda. We're going for the lovely Grimwade camp through some lovely forest once again, wending our way towards Ballingup. Thanks to Cockatoo, a hiker we shared the hut with last night, for making sure that we've got the correct Noongar pronunciation on that, which I appreciate. Ballingup. It's a gorgeous town, we love it there, so excited to get there, but meanwhile we still have all of this to appreciate. And we've caught up with the rapscallion hash harriers and we'll walk with them for a while. There's blue sky over there. It's raining a little bit here.
Pine plantation over there.
We're nearly there. Jerky time.
Jerky time.
Who made the jerky?
I made the jerky.
Who's the jerky man? Say it. I'm the jerky man.
I'm the jerky man. I'm the jerky man.
Firstly, big thanks to Mother Nature today for, so far at least, not coming through with the threatened thunderstorms. And we've had a lovely walk through the forests that you can probably see behind me. Now, for a complete change of scenery, we are checking out the rolling farmland through the trees. Lovely, lovely, whoops. Lovely, lovely bailing up.
Alien spawn.
Well, look at this one. You can see little round globules here. I know.
Came off track a little bit. And a little nice view of the countryside. We're probably only off trail about 200 metres or so. We're heading back to the last point. We'll pick it up from there, and it's just started raining, so not too bad. I think we'll get into town. Don't think the storm's going to hit. We got a bit of reception before, and we're checking the map, the weather radar. It seemed to be raining north of us and south of us.
And now on us.
And now on us. But there was this nice little pocket of where we were. So let's find out where we're going. Oh well, back on track now. That last marker we went past, we've worked out somebody had taken it off and turned it around and faced it. Go left at the junction when we needed to go right. So we've pulled it off, half broke, or possibly broken one of our sticks doing it, and we've managed to put it back on facing the right way. So yeah, a little bit of fun for the day. Some people are weird. Anyway, back to what we're doing. looking into bailing up now. Maybe that's the storm we just happened to miss. We've been very lucky with the weather today. Very lucky. Good walk today. Would have been excellent. A little 2k less would have been. Would have been a great little day.
We did about half a k or more extra.
Yeah.
By virtue of getting lost.
Oh, that little detour where someone changed the sign. Yeah. But coming in now, we're going to go and hopefully get a pie and a coffee, and then meet up with Bob again and off to our off to our house that we've got for 2 days. We've got a 0 tomorrow, so see you soon.
Here we are, we're attempting to repair the stick which was broken in our attempt to move the misdirecting woggle yesterday. We got a little bit of Balga resin. Look at that colour, she's beautiful. So Howie's crushing that up, crushed up, and now Howie's going to have a blast at melting it.
Smell that.
Oh wow, smells lovely.
It melts very easily.
Yeah, it melts really quickly.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Probably even have
that's definitely gonna work.
all over.
Heat. Just do it from a distance and slowly. That's it. Okay, leave it. Oh yeah, that's doing a good job.
This is the stick as it looks now, and we'll try and get it to catch the light a little bit. You can see some of the colours. It looks pretty Tonka tough. Here's hoping. Alright, we'll get back to you later on this. Around 2 years ago, we made a little video when we walked from Donnelly River to Bailing Up. Closing scene of the video was Sandra Hill's lovely painted cow here. And as the video closed, we said something about dreaming of an end to end. And here we are, end to ending. Still love the cow. She's a beauty.